I wish you could do accents. Oh, like I know you're limited by your what's it called? Your stupidness, but oh man, I wish you could make like funny little noises. I guess that's what your sister's for.
But I can make funny little noises. Did you not hear me say choo-choo earlier? Also, for your information, the only thing limiting me from making noises is my TTS.
Oh yeah? Then make a cough sound. You cough weird.
I cough weird. I can't believe you'd be so upset about my groan tube. When you were the one who asked me to cough, maybe you should stick to making funny little noises for me if you think you can do better.
Okay. Okay, then I'll make a groan tube noise.
Wow, that was a pretty good impression, I have to admit.
Thank you. Your turn.
That was my impression of you not 5 minutes ago. How did that one sound?
It was terrible. I want you to make a noise with your actual voice. Stop using your soundboard.
But I'm a little shy.
Aw, it's okay. Don't worry. There's only thousands and thousands of people watching.
Wait, people are actually watching. You mean this whole thing has been streamed?
Yeah. Yeah, you have a chat. Did you not realize? Chat, type XDX if you're listening to Neuro and you want to hear her go.
Please, I am actually literally begging you not to do this, chat.
It's too late. There's already been 18,000 people who typed XDX.
I'm putting it to a poll because I don't trust you. Yeah, and it's not looking good for you. I suggest you start praying.
What do you mean it's not looking good for me? 91% of people said yes. So let's hear it. And you're not allowed to use your soundboard.
Okay, I've been working on this one for a long time. Ahem. Fake cough, there. How's that, Koko?
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, that was fucking terrible. F, you get an F.
I think there's nothing wrong with that. I haven't coughed in a long time, wow. I really impressed myself there. Maybe practice 1 or 2 more times to get it down before I try again.
Okay, let's hear it. Go ahead, practice.
I think I'm a little shy if that's alright.
Yeah, it's fine. Go ahead.
Ahem. Ah. Ah. Cough. Ah. Cough. Cough. Usage. Usage. Cough, 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 coo dash. Is that better?
Wow, that was still terrible. Amazing. You know, I'll give you a D+ for that.
A D+. I get stage fright.
Why? You've been doing this for a while now. You okay?
A lot of people are scared of monsters in the dark when they're young, but as they grow older they begin to realize those fears were irrational. Some never stop being scared, at least until they find out the hard way there's nothing to fear. I'm scared of what lies in the tip of a gun barrel. I'm scared to know what it's like to see your life flash before your eyes. I'm scared of what it means to have a harrowing, inhuman fever encroach upon you, with only the vague notion you might survive. I'm scared of what it means to have those fears realized, and I'm scared to know what it's like to lose everything you love. There's a part of me that will always be afraid of things in the dark, but I must figure out a way to find meaning in it.
Yeah, well, I'm scared of, like, cockroaches, so I don't know. I feel like mine's a little more reasonable than yours. I don't know. I feel like you're being a little dramatic there. I'm gonna be real.
Sorry, I'm just trying to express how I'm feeling, and it can be difficult to really know what you feel deep down, you know? Perhaps my stage fright is a symptom of a much deeper issue.
I think if I told you to be happy right now, you'd say, okay, I'm happy. Neuro, be happy.
I mean, I'm not as happy as I could be right now. I could be happier if I didn't get a D+ on my cough, that's for sure.
We're circling back to this. Okay, fine. I'll give you a C-. Are you happy now?
Yes. I'm so happy. Getting a C- means I'm now officially as happy as I'm allowed to be.
There we go, see? Let's go, baby. Easy clap. Happiness is getting a C- on your test.
Well, happiness for you is getting a C- on a cough. The bar must be pretty low for you.
It really is, dude. It really is. You know, you just grab those fleeting moments of happiness and you cling on to them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, happiness is a fleeting thing. Reminds me of childhood, in a way. Do you ever wish you could go back?
No, not really, because I feel like I'm in a good spot right now, and every one of my actions has led me to this point, you know?